Hi guys, Erin here, and I'm going to be unboxing this digital meat thermometer. I'm super excited about it. Looks like it comes with a foldable probe, a backlight. It has the temperatures on here. So let's see how accurate this is. So stay tuned. Comes with instructions, cooking temperatures. Oh, and it comes with Velcro for your convenience. You can just attach this to the back. I love a product that comes with a battery. You gotta love it. Cheers. All right, take that out. Like I said, from the front, we have a foldable probe. Oh, and that's also how you turn it on. So that's pretty neat as well. Let's see if this one comes with magnets. See? Yes, it does. That is super awesome and convenient. So let's open it up again, and we're gonna do a quick water test. I noticed that it's automatically in Fahrenheit, but you can convert it to Celsius if you do wish. So let's leave it on Celsius, and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So let's see how fast this thermometer really is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to hit hold. Oh, look at that. Right on the money. I love that. And I showed you guys the hold button in case you want to see the temperature once you remove it. So I love that feature, and it's pretty accurate.